Hey everyone. So this is my day 14 from my at-home microneedling and after a month from my first TCA chemical peel using 50% solution. And this is how my skin look. So in this video, I will just do my morning skincare routine, of course, using the Banish products. And as you can see, I still have hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from my previous TCA chemical peel using 50%. And by the way, everyone, I made a research and also someone from my YouTube channel said in the comment section that the hyperpigmentation from TCA chemical peel will last up to 6 months, even longer. But I don't really worry because I have these products from Banish and these products are good for hyperpigmentation aside from its other skin benefits. And also, at least I have the opportunity to show you everyone how effective these products and they are really worth to try. Especially the micro needling tool, which is the Banisher 2.0. I really love that product, which will give you a good results on your skin. And by the way, everyone, just a heads up, I will do my next microneedling session tomorrow, of course, using the Banisher 2.0 Dermasump tool. So I will treat first the hyperpigmentation on my skin or on my face before doing my next session for DIY TCA cross or peel. And also, everyone, if you want to try the Banish products, you may visit their website www.banish.com and you may use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. All right, that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Mwah.